by Tennessee Dirt. If you are new to the team, welcome. If you've been with us for a while, welcome back. We're going to go over a little bit of tutorial on Canva and how to navigate around the system. If you are on Canva's homepage here, you will see projects on the left-hand side. And then each one of you has your own project folder. For example, we'll use Jordan Mitchell as an example in here. Once you go in here, these are all things that have been created for you. You have the ability to alter some of the verbiage, and if you see this background in here, you can drag and drop different things into those placeholders for you. So for example, let's go in here to YouTube thumbnail. There's two options. Either you can go into the triple dots here. If you click this, you can go edit brand template. So let's say there's something on here that permanently needs to change. Let's say you got married or something, you need to change your last name, go in there and edit it that way. But we're just going to use brand template because we're going to create something that we don't want to alter the template, but we just want to alter a one-off. And you'll go over here to your uploads and you'll upload a file. You can upload them from your phone if you want to, whatever it may be. And let's say she wants to drop in because this is the home that she's going to be highlighting. And all I did was grab and drag and drop that into the file. And you can click on here. For example, this is WKLE Bell Buckle, Tennessee. So, and then click off of that. And this will be your YouTube thumbnail. So go up here to the top and click share, download, and then you'll want to download it accordingly. So we will go back. I'm going to click the three lines over here on the left because I don't necessarily want to save this, and click the home button. It does automatically save something when you do that, so it'll drop it in over here. So back to our projects, you'll click your name again, and it'll have all your different options in here. You can upload videos, all that type of stuff. We call these milestones. Milestones are when you accomplish something new. So, for example, you went under contract, you got an offer accepted. So under contract could be a listing. Offer accepted could be you've got you submitted an offer on a home as a buyer. You got something coming soon. You sold something. The sold one in here is going to be unique because if we go in here to the brand template, I'll just go to edit template so it doesn't create a new one. When we drop in a property, and you want to go up here and you want to edit the sale price. So now we'll be able to park this on the website and we'll post it all over the internet for you guys. And it's going to show off what types of homes and what price points you're selling at. I really like this because it's going to show versatility. So as you guys are going through and selling $100,000 homes and, $4 million homes, it's going to show that you're capable of doing so much and that you're going to treat the clients the same way across the board. So again, share, download, and download that information. We'll get back over here to things. There's also stuff in here that are just little one-offs that you guys can post that are little advertisements. We'll post them for you, but let's say you want to send something to somebody or whatever. It's in here for you. If you ever have anything, this is going to keep you in compliance. This is your most important one. If you're making posts, always add this as an extra slide or whatever it may be. And this is with your logo and your brokerage information. So this will keep you 100% in compliance. And then if you have a profile photo or something, you can always drop in without all the brokerage information so it doesn't get cut off. Facebook backgrounds, email signatures, your business card template is in here as well. There's 2 pages to it. We're on the front, you're on the back, or vice versa, depending on how you're holding the card, I guess. There's advertisements in here that'll help you advertise for, listings. There's stuff in here that'll go over reviews. Maybe you're a new agent, you don't have a bunch of reviews. This is going to be all generalized information that has been said about our team, and it's also applies to you because that's why you're a part of our team, is because you are operating in a similar fashion. And then you can advertise open houses, and there'll be second slides that'll say when the open house is. all those different types of things as well. So very simple process. If you have any questions about Canva or anything else, don't hesitate to reach out. I am happy to help you guys. There's video walkthroughs in here. There's just about whatever you guys can think of. Feel free to speak up. We're here to help you guys. Happy to have you as part of our team. Take care.